Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today you will see how to add project into the PC feature Windows 10. So why you need to enable this feature? If you the answer is if you want to share your mobile screen in your laptop, then you need to enable project into the PC feature. So let's go. We enable project in the PC feature. So click start and setting and click system. Okay, left side corner you will see project into the PC. Click project into the PC. Let's see, this is disable, so you need to enable it first. So let's go able to enable this feature. So if you enable this feature, let's go start setting and click apps, and the left side see apps and feature and optional feature. Click optional feature. Optional feature, click add feature. Type here wireless display. See, this is wireless display. Click wireless display. Click install. Wait a minute, it installing. See, this is installed. So when it is installed, let's go if it works or not. So click, go to start setting, system, project into the PC. See, now it is enabled. So this is the way you can enable your project into the PC feature. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.